Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Now, I always get asked about these single ribs that have been cut off a rack, how to cook them, times, temperatures, etc. So today we're going to be cooking Chinese style salt, pepper and chili ribs. So we've got our ribs, we're just going to drop them to a Ziploc bag. This is a full rack of baby backs. We've got some of Dutchy's Chinese salt, pepper and chili rub. I'll put a link above for this. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of this seasoning. So these are now ready. All we've got to do now is pop them in the fridge for 1 hour. Overnight is always best. Now listen up, pay attention. No fast forwarding, no scrolling. This is the important bit. I'm placing these ribs meat side down in the wood fire. And the reason why I'm doing this is these ribs have got sugar on them and I don't want them to caramelise too quickly before the meat's cooked. We get the lid shut. We're going to set to smoker. I'm putting more time on the timer. I don't know why, because we're not going to need that. Then we're going to set the temperature to 160 degrees C. Press start and away we go. These ribs have had 20 minutes now and look at the colour starting to build on them. What I'm going to do now is flip them onto one side. So we've got them all flipped. We're going to close the lid and we're going to cook these for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, we can open up again, turn them onto the other side and go for another 3 minutes. This one won't stand up, so I'm just going to put it in between the others to hold it. And here we go, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, open up again. We're going to pull these ribs to the front of the grill. And all I've got now is a roll up of foil. And now we're going to place our ribs on the foil. The foil just helps to keep the ribs in this position. As you can see, they're just balanced on there. And lid shut. And 7 minutes later these ribs are ready. Just look at the colour on them. So there we have it folks, these are Dutchy's Chinese style salt, pepper and chilli spare ribs. Cooked in the Ninja Wood Fire with some charcoal pellets. All in all about 32 minutes. They went for a taste test, but just look at that. Oh my word, they are so tender. Alright, well, you can really taste that salt, pepper and the chili's really coming through. Just literally clean, fall off the bone. I've spent hours and hours and hours cooking ribs and I cannot believe that that is a 32-minute rib. I'm just going to keep on eating.